Hi, this is Mr. Leo, and in this video, we're going to take a look at an accessibility tool called Read and Write for Google Chrome. This is from a company called TextHelp, and this tool is free for teachers, but not for students. So what you're going to get with Read and Write for Google Chrome, what you see here are all the tools available to teachers, but for students, you're mainly going to get the play, pause, and stop buttons after your free trial ends so that you can have text read aloud. And just so you know, this tool has already been pushed out to the Chromebooks. It is a Chrome extension. I have a bunch of extensions at the top of my browser. If you don't see this little puzzle piece, read and write, it should be purple with white lettering. You can click on this puzzle piece, which shows all of your Chrome extensions. And as students scroll down, they should notice Read and Write for Google Chrome. It's already been installed. If you want to make it visible, you just click that little push pin, and now it appears on your list of extensions. Let's close this and go to a website. I'm just going to go to the West Genesee homepage. And while I'm here, I'm going to get notes from the West Genesee Nurses to Families as an article. And I'm going to just click on this little purple puzzle piece, Read and Write for Google Chrome, and that should pull the toolbar on the top of my screen. There it is. And again, we're mainly looking at the play, pause, and stop buttons, as most of these other tools will disappear after a trial period has come to an end. So to make this work, you simply highlight the text. I'm going to start with Dear Families, and I'll just select the first paragraph. You probably won't hear it because the sound is not coming from my computer, it's coming from my microphone, but I'm going to play nonetheless. You should see a highlighter. There it is. And what you don't hear is that it's reading kind of Follow the Blue Bouncing Ball. Um, the information is being read aloud, and you see it highlighted as it moves through its reading. The three dots on the toolbar let you control some things with the options. You can select a different voice. This is set to US English AVA. There are all sorts of voices you could potentially look for. If you scroll down to the bottom, you should find US with male and female voices. You can also control the speed at which the text is read back. 50 is the default, but you can certainly slow that down. Once you're all set, you want to click OK. So Read and Write for Google Chrome works by reading text on the web. It also works on Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, and other Google products. So if we scroll down on this Google Doc, we're going to activate the Read and Write button again. There's my toolbar. And as I select text, once again, I'm simply going to press play. And the text is then read aloud. Let's close the toolbar, try it on a Google slide. Once again, I'm going to select some text, activate the Read and Write button, and press play. So what this is doing is just reading all of the text it identifies on the slide as opposed to just what I've selected first. Once again, Read and Write for Google Chrome is a Chrome extension, something that makes the browser work a little bit harder. And like I said, it is a free tool for students. To a point, they can simply use the play, pause, and stop buttons to have text read aloud, whether it's on a Google Doc, Google Slide, or anything on the web. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.